Sunlight warms and lights our home. It's our window coverings that bridge living spaces to the world outside. But managing shades? That's more tedious than it seems. The struggles in the bedroom, the unreachable bathroom chains, and the time spent in the living room, it adds up. Did you notice that it just took 10 seconds to roll it up? Imagine 5 of them twice a day. There has to be an automation solution without throwing away my existing shades. They look just fine. Good day, I'm Francis, founder of Arpobot. Meet Arpobot Retrofit Smart Shade, a stylishly designed smart add-on that retrofits your existing window shades. Whether through an app, a simple Hi Siri, on-device pressing, or scheduled automations, with Arpobot, controlling your shades become a breeze. Built on thread, seamlessly connected to your favorite platforms, with no need to install an extra app or purchasing extra hub from us. Wood, marble, white. We've designed to complement your space. And it's not just about aesthetics. Arpobot Smart Shades fits a variety of window coverings and bed chains. Installation is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Just a loop, pair, and a set. Elevate your window coverings. Save time, energy, and money. And just you thought that was it. We have one more surprise. Who said you need a power socket close by? And let's face it, cables can be an eyesore. We decided to change the battery game. Swap it out, charge it, even use it as a power bank on the go. These batteries can be recycled separately. This is our step towards a more sustainable planet. At Arpobot, we believe that technology should be an extension of your home, not a distraction from it. We've been putting our heart into the project for the past year. Now, we need your support to light up this dream. Stand with us, back us today.